Star City originated back in the early 1900s and is named after the Star Glass Factory. And we are very fortunate in Star City to still have one of the glass factories still in production, and that's with the Davis and Lynch Glass. We're a very small, community-oriented town. If you've lived here a small period of time, you've born and raised, at the end of the day, it's home. Well, we have a lot of businesses, that have been in Star City for a while. We have new business, and then we have several businesses that are currently under construction.
We were really looking for a place, again, that would be accessible for people coming in and out of town on their commute. It's great food that you can grab, take home for dinner, and also though stop here and have lunch or things like that. And so it's great from the stadiums, from the universities to the interstate. It's a really good kind of crossroads for a lot of people in and out of Morgantown. Being so close to the rail trail and then also being a part of kind of a growing Star City, it's a great place to start a business and kind of get on your feet since we are newer.
I want to see Star City continue to maybe be able to do a little bit more down on the riverfront with some activities, just things to show people what is down there and what is available, and just know that Star City is home.
We definitely just want to bring more areas with a lot of energy to Morgantown. It's important to me that young people and professionals and kind of all ages have a fun place to go, somewhere to be excited, to go out to eat or to grab food from and feel maybe inspired to have a get-together, either back at your home or at the park, do a picnic, things like that. So I really want to bring that energy. I think Star City's a great place. There's such nice neighborhoods around here, and so it's been cool to get to know people who live here and be kind of an up-and-coming part of Morgantown.
It's heartwarming for all of us that have been, a part of this community to see that, even though we're small, people want to make this an establishment where, they can offer employment to people, and it helps the town out too.